Here is a videos. Today I'm going to show how to program all keys lost Lexus. The chip is transponder chip is 4D 68 using Autel KM100. So let's see, put the key. You can see the light is still flashing. So go to the Autel Immo Lexus. System selection. Immobilizer. For D6768. Quick erase. Try again once. Okay. So you can see the now security light is on. Okay, so now just follow this. Put the first key, wait for 5 seconds. Okay, if you want, then you can remove it. If you want more keys, you can also put each one, first key, second key, put into the ignition and wait for the 5 seconds for the each key. And the end, you can read here. If the security light is still flashing, just follow these things, press OK. And now you can see security light is flashing. So what I'm going to do, put the key 1, 2, 4, 5 and it's done. Okay, so when I take out the key, it's flashing. When I put the key, security light is gone. You can try to start the car. So this is the way to program Lexus ID4D 6768 chip using Autel KM100 on another device you want. So it's not important to add the 2 keys or 3 keys. You can use the 1 key when all key lost. Thank you guys.